Hello there guys, welcome to Kikoy TV channel, alright? I'm here at... So, this is it pansit, alright? Guys, ang oil ng face mask ko. Ayan, kung naririnig niyo ako guys, I'm actually going to Western Union now kasi kukunin ko ang aking first, hindi naman first na ano, pero kukunin ko ang first ever kong sahod sa YouTube. Alright? So, punta tayo. Tara. Ba? So yun nga guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa restaurant. Yeah, kunin ko. Saan? Mas nakuha ko na rin sa Western Union. Dito sa amin, yung first YouTube salary ko, right? I will teach you how to go0gle. And then, I will be teaching you how to get your PIN online, lalo na sa mga nakapag-request na rin. Pero hindi pa rin dumadating yung kanilang PIN. So, watch out po. Balikan ko kaya, punta lang akong palengke. Hello there guys, welcome to Kikoy TV channel, alright? So, ganito guys, alright? I'm about to discuss to you how to get your Google AdSense PIN and how to earn revenue in your YouTube channel, alright? So, as you can see a while ago, showing my video, I already got my first salary here in YouTube, alright? Paano nga ba? How did I get my salary without my Google AdSense PIN? What I do is that I waited for 4 months, for almost 4 months, just to get it online. Alright. So how to get it? Alright. Ganito lang yon, simple as this. All you have to do is to request to your account in Google AdSense every 15 days or 1 month. Alright. So if there is a request already, a button wherein makakapag-request ka, you need to request. Kasi pag pinabayaan mo ang Google AdSense PIN mo, there are chances na mawawalan ka ng ads. Alright? So it is much better to check on with your Google AdSense. Huwag yung puros kita lang ang iniisip natin. Okay? Kasi kung puros kita lang ang iniisip natin, we will be earning much money, but you are not actually checking your account, it will all be trash. Alright? It will all be gone. So it is much better if you will always check your Google AdSense account. Okay? So, paano nga ba? Discuss muna natin kung paano ko ba nakuha ang salary ko at bakit ganun kalaki. Meron kasing tatlong klase ng YouTuber. Alright? We have the influencer, we have the vlogger, and the live streamer. Live streaming is katulad or kagaya ng ginagawa ko. Alright? Kasi kung mag-YouTuber ka lang na influencer ka or vlogger ka, chances are makakuha ka lang ng revenue dun sa ads. Magkano lang ba ang ads? Ads per click, it's only 46 cents. Hindi naman tayo sikat na artista or sikat na YouTuber para makakapag-earn tayo ng million ng views. Diba? So bilang live streamer, all you have to do is you need to have organic virtual friends. Of course, kasi hindi naman natin sila nakikita or namimit pa in person. So, we call them organic virtual friends. Alright? Hindi porket na nakapunta sila sa live streaming mo, nagsha-shoutout sila doon, they are already called organic friends. No. Organic friends, they are actually, you have this kind of connections between you and between them. Alright? You already know them well. Merong medyo alam kayo na chismis about sa kanila. And syempre, meron kayong napag-uusapan, di ba? Pwedeng mag-friends na kayo sa Facebook, sa Messenger, nag-uusap na kayo. That's what you call organic virtual friends kasi meron kayong connections. Alright? So pag may connections kayo, especially lalo na sa mga taga-ibang bansa or either here in the Philippines as well, chances are you can get super chat from them. Diba? So it is much better to have organic friends. Alright? Like for example, if you already got your 1,000 bananas, alright, aim for organic friends. Talk to them, diba? And always make sure that if you are a live streamer, you need to do the right thing. Doing the right thing, which means you can entertain them. You can actually give them like entertainment that they wanted to. Kasi most of the people right now, lalo na ngayong pandemic, they're just sa bahay, di ba? So you need to entertain them. Just ignore all the negativity sa ng mga bagay minsan nangyayari talaga sa live streaming. But then again, much better if you will think kung ano ba talaga ang makakapag-entertain dun sa mga tao mo na nanonood sa'yo, di ba? Kasi in that case, pag once na na-entertain sila at nagustuhan nila ikaw, natawa sila sa'yo or natuwa sila sa'yo, of course, they will give you super chats. Diba? Second is, you can also open your join membership. Diba? Doon, in a way, you can actually get revenue from that. Okay? But in my case, it's my own opinion, okay? In my own opinion, I don't want to open it because I cannot give, that ample time or much time for them. Like, for example, to support them. But then again, optional yon. Alright? It is through my opinion lang. Okay? So, paano ko ba nakuha ang Google AdSense pin ko? Ito na, guys. Meron akong link na nilagay doon sa description. Yun, pwede nyo i-copy-paste yun. Tapos, i-click nyo sa Google. So, pag nakita nyo yun, merong form kayo doon fill upan wherein you need to put your name, your full name. Make sure it's a full name, alright? Na in-apply ninyo dun sa Google AdSense. Tapos, magre-require siya ng PUB ID na makikita nyo rin sa Google AdSense ninyo account. Okay? And then, magre-require din siya ng valid ID. Only one valid ID is enough. However, if your valid ID doesn't indicate a billing address na nilagay mo doon sa Google AdSense mo, you need to provide another proof that you are in that address. Like for example, statement of account in the bank. Diba? Usually, ang statement of account is meron ng recent na address mo. If you have billing like electricity bills, that shows your name there, your full name, and your recent na address, pwede na yun. Okay, but in my case, since I have my voter's ID, but that voter's ID is actually located in Manila, so what I did, I went to our municipality and I requested for voter's registration form. Okay, so they provided me, kasi nag-apply na rin ako, kasi I'll be staying here for good in Iloilo, so nagpa-transfer ako ng aking voter's ID, so they provided me only a certification that indicates my full name and my billing address. Ayun na nga. So, I uploaded it there. So, makikita nyo dun sa dito, makikita nyo, I uploaded there my valid ID, na voter's ID, tsaka yung certification. Okay? I applied for 9 p.m. in the evening, and then I was approved at 12 midnight. Philippine Standard Time, of course. Kasi nasa Pilipinas ako. So, yun. Wala silang pre-provide na PIN, but they will email you that you can already get your salary through Western Union, which is, I applied for Western Union because I don't have bank account. I don't have checking account as well. So, what I did is, I applied for Western Union. So, I got my salary through Western Union. But they're optional kasi ang Western Unions. There are some countries na wala. Hindi siya provided ang Western Union. So, depende po yan sa country ninyo again. Alright? So, sana nakatulong yung pag-discuss ko how to get your Google AdSense PIN online. Alright, if you have some more questions regarding with that, you can reach their customer service 24/7. Alam nyo, mostly kasi, most of the YouTubers, they didn't know that YouTube has a customer service online, chat support. Alright, in real time, they're going to answer your question, all your questions regarding with your YouTube account. Okay, all you have to do is to go to their live chat support, and then you can ask questions. Alright, again, meron pong live chat support ang YouTube. Okay, so sa Google AdSense pin, kung medyo naguguluhan kayo, you can always reach me out. You can leave a message, and then I'll try to reach out to you, and then I'll teach you how to do it in real time. Okay? But then again, sana nakatulong itong pag-discuss ko sa inyo, pag-show ko sa inyo ng pagkuha ng Google AdSense pin, and syempre, on how to get a good revenue para sa iyong channel. Alright? So, if you have further questions regarding with your account, then feel free to add me in my channel, or you can subscribe my channel, or you can add me through Messenger as well. Alright? So you can ask me. I'm very open to help everyone, lalo na sa mga bago or sa mga newly monetized channel. Alright? So, but before I let you go, guys, I would like to say thank you to all the supporters that I have every time I do my live streaming, to all my super chatters, syempre, and of course sa aking mga bashers. O, diba? Sikat, may bashers. Anyway, that's normal, alright? Pero thank you pa rin sa kanila kasi it actually adds another sense to my account. Lalo na pag nagta-thumbs down. Anyway, yun nga. Also, I would like to say thank you to our team, Team Lamok, Team Kitikiti, Team Fuday, Team Venus, Team Puswak, Team Adonis, Team Kanating sa pag-help sa akin, lalo na pag nagla-live streaming at nagpe-premiere ako. Thank you very much. Special thanks to Tina Matutina, It's Ann Sharp, Sharon Lee Vlog, Mami Eve Calma, Mami Gloria Dugay, Mami Rosita Egner, Kuya Foodie A1C, syempre ang mga founder din ng Team Puswak, si Master Vince Vlog, Lodi Banks TV, and si Tatak Jake TV. And of course, yung aking friend na talagang sobrang tulong sa akin, si Tony Tambay. Ayan, ang brute siya ng bayan. At syempre, yung aking bestie na si Akoven Mom. Alright, so yung mga hindi ko nabanggit, pasensya na po. Pero thank you din, special mention ko na rin si Miss Nari Kim. Ayan, si Ninang Nari Kim ko. Thank you very much for helping me out. So guys, if you have time, you can actually visit their channel as well, and you'll have a great time, okay? Kasi masaya ang live streaming nila, and they can actually help you out. So, wag niyong kakalimutan, shoutout, hindi ko rin kakalimutan, syempre, shoutout si Madam Kiai, si Biel Marie, ng Team Adonis, at Team Venus. Thank you very much sa full support ninyo. And sa lahat-lahat, hindi ko na pumabanggit man ang lahat, si Maju Channel, si Bench Violet, sino pa ba? Irene Abarientos, syempre yung aking anak na maganda na si OPT na TV, thank you very much. And sino pa ba? Jock de Jos, basta, marami kayong lahat. Pasensya na kung hindi ko mabanggit yung mga pangalan nyo. Pero thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Once again, my name is Kikoy TV. Lagi niyong tatandaan, God will supply all your needs according to His riches and glory. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Drop it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share.